Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter Nom Nom. I'm Annette if you are new here. Today, IPSY Day. It's arrived. I'm so excited for this one because I feel like last month's was just kind of disappointing for me, so I'm really hoping this one won't be. Let's get into it. This month's bag, which I've already seen, is just a plain old orange bag. Just kidding, it's actually got stuff on it. It's got the really neat looking like travel stamps and it's got a plane. Okay, let's see what the hell's in here. So the first thing I got is a Kenzie Loving Life. I believe this is a perfume sample. A coupon for IPSY customers only, 50% off a 3.4 ounce bottle or a gift set from Kenzie Fragrances. Well, that's neat. A very large perfume sample. This is awesome. It smells nice. I'm gonna... It's kind of like a fruity floral. It smells very good. Do not spray into eyes or towards open flame. I can do that. Thing number 2 is Elizabeth Mott Pop Goes the Shadow in Goldie. It looks very like comic booky, and then this is the shadow. Not that I needed any more gold eyeshadows because I really didn't, but you know what, whatever, it's eyeshadow. Well, that's nice. That's actually kind of different than the golds that I have, so I can live with this. We got a Trestique Mini Matte Blur Stick. I did see someone else get this. It is, oh, nice. It feels a little dimethicone-y. I don't know why I thought it would smell like something, but this will also be very good to travel with. Next, we've got SL Miss Glam. Oh, good. This is very small, though. I do really like the stuff that I've gotten so far from SL Miss Glam. This feels very soft, and I love a good soft makeup sponge. It's also very small. It's little, like you, Winston. Hi, baby. My puppy's here. Next, I got... I heard this was going to be in the bags this month, and I was so excited about it. This is a full-size Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade Trophy Wife. So I've got two. There was a mix-up somewhere. I got an extra eyeshadow. They're both exactly the same. So my mom's getting an extra eyeshadow this month. Neat. They must have been stuck together. I got a bonus. Okay, let's move in and get some stuff on my face. So let's start out with the blur stick. So I'm gonna put it in my usual spots where I would put the NYX pore filler. And let's... Can you see how shiny I am? Let's see here. I'm blind, so I can't tell if that's showing up on camera, but I think you can wear this over top of makeup too. So like if you get, oh nice, you can put this on over top of your makeup instead of using like a blotting sheet or a powder. Okay, so far I like this. I like it a lot. I'm going to color correct instead of brightening concealer today. So I'm gonna get some of this on my face and then we will try out that sponge. Alright, so this is the sponge wet. It did get fairly large. That's making me beautiful. Okay, this is blending really well so far and it is so soft and smushy. I love it. Foundation. Just trying to go light today, you know? I'm so pasty today. Okay, so I've got pretty much all my face on. Let's get some eyes on me, shall we? So I'm just gonna get some transition colors on using my Pro palette because I want some browns on here. And then we'll come back and get the pop of gold on there. Okay, so I'm gonna start by just seeing how this applies with a brush. Let's just... Oh. That is better than I thought it was going to be, but not quite what I want. That's what I want. This is more of a copper than a gold. I like it because it's different. Okay, so I wasn't expecting much because it's a gold eyeshadow, but because it's a little more coppery, I like it way more than I thought I was going to. Now, I'm gonna use a tiny brush and I'm gonna go into my LA Colors Shine versus Matte. The super highlighty color here. Just get that in the inner corner. Still gonna go into this shimmery teal aqua whatever shade, and I'm gonna put this on the lower lash line. That's fabulous. Okay, so I finish off the eyes by doing a white in the waterline and some Lash Paradise, and I totally just realized I did a bronze and teal eye, and I am going to be doing a mauve lip. Let's see what we can do here. This should be interesting. All right, so Huda, we're going in. Okay, that is not too bad on its own. I think just to make my lips match my eyes a little better, I'm gonna go over top of it with this sort of champagne lip gloss. Okay, that's kind of neutral. It's not a complete match, but I think it's okay. I'd have to say I think this is my favorite bag yet. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. What did you guys get in your IPSY bags? Was yours a hit this month or was yours a miss? Because I saw there was a lot of people that were really like, oh, this is the best bag ever, or ooh, this is literally the worst bag I've ever gotten. So which one were you? Were you in between? I haven't seen one of those yet. I'm gonna quit rambling. We'll see you in the next one. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and we will see you later.